So this video is going to look at a quick recap of division. Okay, so you might have looked at your worded problem and worked out that your calculation is going to be 735 divided by 6. Okay, and it may say to you, okay, calculate with remainder. So maybe this isn't going to go exactly. I'm going to use the bus stop method. So here is your bus stop, okay? And you're going to put the number that you're dividing inside the bus stop, 735. And the number that we're dividing by goes on the outside, okay? So it's 6. So we're looking to see how many times 6 will go into 735 or 735 divided by 6. So this is the one and only time we are not starting with the units. We're going to start at this end next to the end of the bus stop. It's the first number on the bus. Okay, so 7 divided by 6. How many times will 6 go into 7? Well, it only goes once. So we're going to put 1 above the answer line here. And we've got 1 left over. We had like 7 sweets shared around 6 people. They'd all get 1 each and there'd be 1 left over for them to fight about. We're going to put that 1 here next to the 3. And so instead of 3, we're looking at 13 divided by 6, or 13 sweets shared around 6 people. However, 13 divided by 6, well, how many times will 6 go into 13? Or if you had 13 sweets shared between 6 people, they would all get 2 each, and there would be 1 left to fight over. And that 1 is going over here, the 5. So we've not got 5, we've now got 15. 15 divided by 6. Or again, 15 sweets shared around 6 people. They would get 2 each. 2 6s go into 15. And we've got 13, 14, 15. We've got 3 left. So our remainder is 3. So the answer to 635 divided by 6 is 122, remainder 3. But what if that calculation that you figured out from your worded problem isn't quite as straightforward as 735 divided by 6? It might be that it was actually £735 divided by 6 friends. Or maybe, yeah, they had a total bill in a restaurant of £735, 6 people eating. How much were they all going to pay each? So then you don't want a remainder. You need to work it out exactly. So you might be going into decimal numbers because that remainder 3 has got to be sorted out. So we've got 735 again in the bus stop divided by 6. If you're going into decimal numbers, put your decimal point. 0 after your decimal ready. Let's extend that line. And you must make sure that you put your decimal point in above in your answer, or you're going to end up giving the wrong answer. So again, we'll go back to this side. 7 divided by 6, or how many times will 6 go into 7? We know it's once, and there's a 1 left over, which we're going to carry over here. So now we're looking at 13 divided by 6, or how many times will 6 go into 13? It goes in 2 times because 2 6s are 12. And then there's 1 left over here. So now we're looking at 15 divided by 6, or how many 6s go into 15? Well, we know 2 times 6 is 12. So it's 2. And then we're counting up from the 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's that remainder 3 that we had before. That's going over here. So now we've got 30 divided by 6, or how many times will 6 go into 30? 6 times tables, you'll know really quickly that it's 5. It's 5 6s are 30. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Okay, so our answer is 122.5. Our question was £735 divided by 6 people. So how is that a monetary value? 122.5 in money. Because quite often there'll be a space for you to put your answer once you've done your calculations. So that is actually £122